Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about the Crompton HS Santos. So it's a new launch ceiling fan of Crompton. It is a 1-star rated ceiling fan which is anti-dust. It has 225 cm air delivery. The RPMs is 380. The watt consumption is 56 watts. It's a 1-star ceiling fan. It is having a heavy motor, aerodynamically designed wider blades and anti-corrosive aluminium blades and body. The colors available in the fans are matte black, tapioca, pristine white, rose gold, Tovani brown, Americano brown and titanium. Yeah guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.